Nikon Z7 with the adapter FTZ, so which means like it's gonna support the existing f mount lenses. And I got this Nikon bag with it, and it's not a normal bag, so it's like kind of a backpack. And it's quite nice that they started giving backpack nowadays. So that's a good thing, but it's a bit too small for me. But you can it's very handy. Actually, I cannot blame them, because it's a mirrorless camera, so I really don't find any problem putting it inside the small bag. So I've also got a 64 GB memory card with it. So it's XQD memory card, it's not a SD memory card, so which means that it is more reliable and more faster than the SD itself. So let me start doing unboxing right now.